I was born in Long Island, New York. I moved to Atlanta when I was 15 years old. I went to Dunwoody High School and Auburn University. I got to enjoy a 10-year career working with Coca-Cola that finished up with the Olympics in 96, 97 timeframe. It was a 24-month project to stand up an organization, and we bought brand new trucks. We bought brand new trailers. We bought brand new straight trucks. We bought brand new pickup trucks. We hired new employees. We got them trained up on the use of the material. And then we supplemented our existing assets with some for-hire carriers and some for-hire drivers that helped to reposition equipment where it needed to be when our own people weren't able to do it. A fluid marketplace is driven by knowledge and by demand and by understanding of variability in the conditions that the market surrounds itself with. There is an ability to create some interoperability where each of the different participants have the ability to have their own platforms, but those platforms can then work with other players from other platforms. And there was the ability for a system to sit in between this dynamic demand of shippers who have stuff to move from any one of their factories at any time and may have one of their own carriers or may not have one of their own carriers, and these million trucks that are in the marketplace that may start or end from any location at any time for any shipment that they moved for anybody before. Today, there's a lot of companies that are utilizing the methodology of digital freight matching to help optimize transportation transactions in the truckload transaction industry in the United States. There's 4 claims that we put in there that were like my secret weapon, which was if I was able to get this back, there was the ability to be able to remove multiple posted loads and multiple posted capacities. So I've assigned that right for that availability to the company DFM Data Corp to go and approach the industry with a way to help them operate without friction. It's really very simple to take like a stock market trade and identify that that buyer no longer needs to have a seller. And that only takes place when you have a clearinghouse, when you have a neutral intermediary that can facilitate the cleansing of the data without trying to compromise the customers.
Yep.